I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular vacuum sealers for travel. We're gonna seal down these pairs of shorts in the suitcase. You'll see the suitcase is full. You won't believe when we're done with it. We're gonna go over what I like about each one, what I don't like about each one, some of the pros, the cons. They are very, very different, or they're very, very similar, but there are some differences that you're going to want to know before you make a decision. We're going to start with the SUOCO. So this SUOCO, and this is going to be the BAGSMART ones. I even took some notes over here. So this is what this one comes with right over here. We're going to get clips right over here. That's going to help us seal the bags. In terms of, we get this nice little travel case right over here. This has a nice mesh charger right over here. I keep the rubber band on it because that's how it came. And then we have this charger here. Now, this looks very small, but it is crazy how good this works. I was kind of blown away when I first saw that. For this, we're going to get, these are what we're going to get here in the terms of the pack. We're going to get 8 20-inch bags, 24-inch, we're going to get 4, and 28, we're going to get 4. So total of 16 bags. If you don't like the sizing on this, they all sorts of different sizes and packs and all that kind of stuff. You get whatever you want. This is what the bag looks like right over here. Really nice material on this. Has a really high-end look. This is our suction right over here. You don't have to worry about dust or water getting in here or anything like that. You'll be good to go. So this is going to be the 24. This is going to be your 20 right over here. This is going to be great for luggage and suitcase and stuff. That's what we're going to use. And then this is going to be the big one, the 28 inches. This is going to be great for pillows, blankets, all that kind of stuff. We use these all the time for our, I don't know, or my girlfriend does, for those seasonal pillows and stuff like that. All right, so that's that one right over there. The BAGSMART right over here, same idea here. We're gonna get, these are what these bags look like. So these are color coded. So we got the small one right over here. That is going to be 24, or that's the medium, that's 24. The small is 20, and this large guy right here is 28. So same sizes on the bags. You also, with the BAGSMART, you get a shoe bag, a toiletry bag, and a laundry bag as well. This is what this pump looks like right over here. Super compact. It is rechargeable. All of these pumps are rechargeable. A little bit bigger than the other one. This one does not come with a cable, so just know that. But we have cables all over our house, so it doesn't really matter. All right, we got 4 pairs of shorts over here, and then we got 4 pairs of shorts on that other side there. Actually, let me show you what this looks like real quick. This is what the suitcase kind of looks like right now, kind of full. We're going to compress these down. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like after. So for this one, we're going to use this bag right over here. This is the seal. So what I like to do is just kind of open them up a little bit. I know we're trying to take air out, but it's just easier to get the stuff in. So I'm going to put them exactly how they're in the suitcase. So we're literally just going to pop this in right over here. Really easy. It's easier to do it if you're just like have them down there on the table, but I kind of want to show you how that works. And that's one big difference for these two. You'll see these bags right over here this is how they are situated right over here in terms of the orientation, is they go this way. These bags go this way. So that is a big difference between the two of them. We'll get into all the differences in a second once we kind of get these shrunk down. So we're going to see how this goes. We're just going to put these in here. Now, the key to a lot of these to make it much easier and go quicker is you want to kind of get the air out of here. You don't have to. It just goes quicker. You kind of just go like this, get this clipped up, and then at the very end, kind of get some air out to give you a little bit of a head start right over there. And then for the clip, you're just going to take one of these clips right over here. See here, we're just going to put this on top here, and this, we want to make sure this is completely shut. And you'll hear there was some additional clicking right over there. Then we're going to pop this off right over here, and we're going to get compressing. Same thing for over here. We're just going to do, this has a double kind of seal right over here. You'll see, which is nice. Just really easy to go here. All right. Kind of got that situated, and then we're at the very end. Get that last bit of air out of there. Perfect. We're gonna pop this one off right over here. Then we're just going to take this pump right here. This is how it works for the top, and you'll see right over here, you'll see the battery life right over there. With both of these, you get about 100 pumps, different pumps, just screwed on a little bit like that. We're going to screw this one on a little bit. All right, we're going to get compressing here. It works quicker if you push down on these to get them like compressed. All right, so this is kind of the results here of kind of our compression right over here. So this is kind of how they worked out. I would say probably the SUOCO kind of did, this is what that one looks like, this is what this one looks like, and then let's see what they look like in the suitcase actually. Kind of crazy when you think about what it did look like. You could probably get another another four bags in there. Let's go over some of the pros, the cons, and the differences. So the main difference I would say with the SUOCO is they have a smaller pump. So the pump is definitely smaller. It is more powerful. I don't know what the metric is, but this is a 6,000 PA and this is a 4,000 PA. I guess that's like how it sucks. This one you saw really did shrink it a lot more and a lot quicker. So that's something to note about that. In terms of the sizes, these are the 28. Let's do this small. They open differently. So if that matters to you, so this, the SUOCO is already tented like this. This one is sideways. I don't know. I don't really have a preference either way. These are going to be color coded. So that if that's important to you, to know which color. So the large is going to be green, the small will be orange, and the other one is purple. That is that. This one does not come with the laundry bag, garment bag, all that jazz. This one. And then in terms of pumps, this one comes with a charger and a bag to take with you. This one does not. Again, you kind of saw how they worked head to head. Both work well. So I hope you found this video helpful and you find the right travel bag for you, and give this a thumbs up.